Good morning, Christmas tree, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. So today's vlog is going to be a chill one. I'm just going to stay in my pajamas and then let me go grab some food. Here's what I'm having for dinner: cheese sticks, french fries, and leftover chicken strip. Also have my water while watching Home Alone on TV. Here are the nails that we're going to use. I think you saw them in December 1st, so Vlogmas Day 1, I showed these nails that I got in the mail, so we're gonna try them. I have some nail files, nail clippers, some nail polish remover pads, the glue that I use, a nail buffer, and yeah, we're going to use that today to give me some pretty red nails. And then they have like little bows on it, if you can see. I don't know if we're gonna do this for like the ring finger. I don't know, but we're going to try that out and see how they look. Here is a better look at the nail stickers, if they would focus. They're so cute. So I guess I'm just gonna set you up right here on the tripod. First, we're gonna clean my nails so they look semi-decent, and I'm gonna trim them a bit. So I filed them down and I pushed my cuticles back a little bit, so yeah, they look pretty good. And I took the glue off that was still stuck on there so they can lay better. And yeah, I'm just gonna reapply glue even though I just took some off of it. So yeah, they look pretty decent, and I cut them down. So some seem like they're matte and some are like shiny. This is a nail file right here that is so cute, so you could use that. And then it has glue and the sticker, so I'm going to try and see which ones fit. I don't really like this shape. I might like cut it and stuff, so I'm just gonna go through and see which goes where. So I got them all arranged in the order, so my left hand and my right hand had to look to see which one was which. So some of them don't fit exactly, and I think I'm going to cut them down. They might be too long for me, and I don't really like extremely long nails. So yeah, I'm going to add them on to my fingers. Now I'm going to use this glue right here. It is the Kiss Powerflex Max Speed Nail Glue. So I'm going to use that. And then on the back of the nails, I'm going to brush on this brush on nail glue. But it does come with nail glue as well. This is how they turned out, but I feel like they are too long. They're fun, but I'm not gonna get anything done with these such long nails and this shape. So I think I'm going to trim them a little bit. Okay, I cut them. I think I cut this side a little shorter than this side, but I like the length. This is usually the length I usually go for, so they look like that. I don't know if I should put some stickers. Maybe I should just put some stickers on my ring finger. I forgot to film me putting the sticker on, so I'm gonna use this top coat. It's the only one I have, and I thought they match because this says LA Girls and this is LA Colors. I mean, they're still LA, so I managed to put the bow on, so let's seal it. So here are my nails. They look pretty good. I'm so surprised that this looks straighter than this side because I used my right hand to do this, so you would think it'd be straight and this would be crooked. But no, I don't know why. Maybe because it was the first one I did. I'll have to show you properly, maybe in front of the Christmas tree. So yay, they look so good though. I'm really happy with them now, and let's see how long they last. So I cleaned everything up, so That's great. I've been watching Heart's Vlogmas. I've been catching up with that. I don't know how many days I've went through. Let's see what day I'm on. So I'm watching day 5 of her Vlogmas while I did my nails. That was super fun. And now she makes me want to eat Filipino snacks. I think I have some in the cupboard. So let me go out into the living room and we can do... Oh, I have a Christmas tree in here. You want to go to this Christmas tree? How can I forget that I have a Christmas tree in here? I mean, I wanted the one in the living room because it like matches my nails, and this, there we go, they're focused. How cute do they look? Oh, I love how they turned out. So this is what my nails look like. I got it to focus for once. They look so pretty. I love them. So far, I really liked it. So I'm going to link this down below, and I saw it has next day delivery or 2-day delivery, so you can get it in time for Christmas as well. Now that my nails are all done, I thought we could chat about my past Christmases. On Sunday, I'm making a reaction video of my second Christmas because in 2017 I reacted to my first ever Christmas. My dad documented it, so that is so cool that I have. And apparently he documented my second Christmas because we found the tape to that, so look forward to that on Sunday. I do have most of my Christmases documented, but I don't have them from 2008 to 2012. So when I moved from the US to the Philippines, that's kind of like hazy. I don't remember much about that time of my life for some reason. I don't know if I have it documented or anything, but we don't have much footage from that. We have a lot of my childhood, which is in storage, those tapes. So from 2013 up until now, I've always documented my Christmases. Not so much Vlogmas style, but like just pictures and little mini clips. So I was talking with my cousin the other day, who is the mom of the little boy who opened that car. I sent her a link to my YouTube channel so she can watch. So hi Lynn, hi Jonathan if you're watching. So Lynn is the wife, so she's technically not my cousin whatsoever. She married my first cousin, but I still call her my cousin. She's more like a big sister to me. I love her so much and I really miss her. I miss the memories that we've had. We've had some pretty good memories and we were reminiscing about that, and she brought up 2014's Christmas, which I spent with her family. So I used to live in Laguna, which is about a 30-minute drive I guess from Manila, but she lives in Pampanga, which is like 3.5-hour drive. But I'm kind of sad that I didn't do Vlogmas then, because that would have been very epic. I had always spent Christmas with my family, with my parents, but in 2014 my cousin invited me to her house and I spent Christmas with them for like a week and a half or whatever it was, and it was just so fun. And I brought up the memories on Facebook, so I had to go into my Facebook archive and look for those pictures. So this was me in 2014. We went to a Christmas market / carnival, and I remember that was the best night ever. It was so much fun. I don't know when we went, maybe the 23rd, and I'm actually holding this iPad. Like this iPad right here is what I'm holding in the picture, and this was 6 years ago, so look how old this iPad is. I'm not using my iPad Pro because my dad's currently watching a Liam Neeson movie on it in the living room, so we're sticking to the iPad Air. Here we are together. So this is my cousin Lynn, and then little Marcus when he was only a year old, a year and like 4 months I believe back then, but he was so tiny. So in my head he's still that tiny. I can't believe like he's an actual little boy and can open toys up with knives. We went to like a Christmas bazaar where you could like buy little gifts, and I remember my budget was 500 pesos for how many relatives I had, so I had to squeeze that 500 pesos, which is $10 I believe. 500 is everything was super cheap, like 50 pesos and stuff, and I managed to make it fit. I wasn't working back then. I had just finished college, so I was that in-between period of not knowing what I was going to do with my life, because at this point I was only 20 years old, so I had no idea what was, no, 21. I just turned 21 during this time, so I didn't have any money to spend on gifts or anything, so we just went around and bought like cheapy gifts for the whole family, which like it was so special. This is the food that her family fixed. Her mom is an amazing cook and she made all this food. We had a cake and it was just amazing, and they were so accommodating to me, and I went to all her relatives and met all of them, and it was just so cute. This is me and Marcus when we were going from my house in Laguna to Pampanga, and we always loved taking selfies together. Oh, he was such a cute little boy. And there's a video of us lip syncing on my old iPhone that is also super cute. So thank you, Lynn, for that. It was such a good Christmas, and thank you for reminding me when you were texting me, because that made me go and look at those photos. So I went back onto my blog and saw what I wore on Christmas. So that is what I wore Christmas 2014. 2014 was also the year that I did my what I got for Christmas blog post. So yeah, those are all my gifts. Christmas pajamas that I was wearing the other day. So yeah, those were cute that I have that documented. I'd love to know what your favorite Christmas memory is. I have so many, but it was fun looking back. So I might head out either tomorrow or the next day. I need to pick up another order from Target and pick up some groceries because we're running out. So that is my plans for the next few days, but today was pretty boring, and I should import this footage now and get going with the edit because it takes me forever. That's why you don't see me much after advent calendar time, because I try to get this all up and ready to go before 11 a.m. So let me go get my laptop and I can start editing. It's advent calendar time and we're gonna open day 16, so it's right here.
Right there. Mickey Mouse.
I got a candle.
What is that?
A squirrel. Oh, this is the ones where we're different. I forgot about that. What?
Good.
And that is it for our advent calendar. See you tomorrow for day 17. I am going to end the vlog early today. Not too long, which is surprising, but that is all I did today. Well, thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 17. Bye everyone. Good night, Christmas tree.